Close-up shot of the small 6-seal box with the lid closed. It should be a nice close-up shot that takes up most of the frame. Ready to spice up your Valentine's Day money. Open the box slowly, revealing the 6 compartments filled with bright red love cutout nail sequins. Introducing the cutest nail sequence ever. Show the finished nails with the red love sequins sparkling under the light. Text over list. Be the queen of hearts this Valentine's Day. End the video with a call action such as subscribe for more Valentine's Day nail art ideas or shop the link in bio. Whether you are going for a sweet and subtle look or a full-on Valentine's Day explosion, these sequins have you covered. They are perfect for a romantic date night, a fun Valentine's Day party, Valentine's Day party, or even just to show yourself some love. If you are like my video, so please subscribe my channel and press bell icon, like video, share video, comment must. Thanks for watching. Meet you next video.